Hey guys, it's what day are we today? Today is Tuesday, so time flies so fast. It's just a day after Laurel's birthday, and I was down this morning. I was having a headache, so we weren't able to go out. We had 2 days of very good 29 degrees here in Melbourne, and it's really good. As of today, I just had a bad day. I had a migraine or headache, or I don't know what that was. But the thing is, for ages I haven't been let me just fix the camera. For ages I haven't been to the massage person, or haven't got a massage, but today I really was feeling bad. And a good thing is, here in Melbourne we're having 2 days, or was it 3, no, 2 days straight of 0 cases. So yeah, I went to the massage, got a Thai massage, deep tissue thingy, I don't know, and everything just cracked. Like, all my muscles are like, yeah, they're really stiff and everything else. But it's a good thing that we can go to a massage. I still have my mask on though, just to be sure. And when I arrive home, you're not supposed to wash up after a massage, but I did wash up because safety is first. But yeah, for now, yeah, all good. So I have big plans for the coming days. As of now, I'm just trying to take things. I just noticed whenever I do vlog or make videos, I sometimes forget I have dry skin here and dry skin there, and things everywhere. But it's kind of annoying because I don't check. But yeah, it's a good day today. Also, yeah, yesterday was Laura's birthday. Mitching and Michael came. That's what I've said in my last video. That thing, I was pointing at my grill. The pork bellies just burst into flames and burned everything. So like, damn it. And I wasn't able to film. I didn't film that much because I was really busy that day. We just ate, and I still have one assessment to do, which I think I did do my best. But it's nice it's done. But yeah, so hoping for better weather in the next few days, and hoping more weather like these, which is so warm. 29 degrees. I have everything open. I have my fan. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, everything's good. So it's good. I just can't wait till the time that we can travel. Like, maybe just go south or go north, or maybe go to Jervis Bay. So yeah, I have a few months of school off, so I need to work. And I wish I had more bookings, but it's a good thing because I have another gig this coming Saturday with Alden and Dawn. So it'll be a bit of a reunion for the three of us to shoot again. And for Marlon, I think it's on December. So that's good enough. Anyway, yeah. Also, I'm kind of enjoying this A7C here. The thing is, I'm just using a 28mm lens, which is so damn near my face. And yeah, I'm gonna use the wide lens anytime soon. Just that I'm gonna use this for now because it's light, it's heavy, and that was a burp. I can easily take photos or videos or anything. It's really light. I really love this setup. A7C 28mm 28mm f2 from Sony. Very good. I just love it. Okay. I'm just gonna chill on here till the end of the day. We're not going out anywhere. We're just gonna chill. That's it. Might edit an old video that I have, so we'll see. Just enjoying the warm weather.